Do you want to start your day speaking English like a pro? Today, we are mastering 20 essential morning routine phrases. This is a shadowing practice. Listen carefully to me and repeat after me immediately. Hi there, this is Max from MX English Podcast. English isn't my first language either. I'm not a native speaker, and I learned English by myself at home. And because of that, I really know how to teach you English to help you reach fluency just like I did. Okay, let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe to MX English Podcast. Okay, sentence number 1. Listen carefully and repeat after me. I wake up to the sound of my alarm. Your turn. I wake up to the sound of my alarm. I wake up to the sound of my alarm. This explains what actually causes you to stop sleeping. If you want to wake up at, for example, 8 o'clock, you set an alarm on your phone or your clock for 8 o'clock. I wake up to the sound of my alarm. Next one. I hit the snooze button twice this morning. Your turn. I hit the snooze button twice this morning. Repeat after me. I hit the snooze button twice this morning. You say this when you want to sleep for a few more minutes. If you want to sleep a little more, you hit the snooze button. I hit the snooze button twice this morning. Next sentence. I stretch my arms and legs before getting up. I stretch my arms and legs before getting up. This describes the physical movement you do while still in bed. I stretch my arms and legs before getting up. Your turn. Nice. Let's go to the next one. I make my bed as soon as I get out of it. I make my bed as soon as I get out of it. Use this to show you tidy your room immediately. When you wake up, you immediately make your bed. I make my bed as soon as I get out of it. Repeat after me. Great. Next one. I drink a glass of water to hydrate. Your turn. I drink a glass of water to hydrate. This sentence explains the healthy reason for drinking water early. I drink a glass of water to hydrate. Okay, next one. I head straight to the bathroom to wash my face. You use head to as a natural way to say you are going somewhere. I head to the bathroom. I head to the bathroom. I head straight to the bathroom to wash my face. Okay, next one. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Your turn. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. This explains the duration of your morning hygiene. I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. Repeat after me. Nice job. Let's go to the next one. I take a quick shower to make myself up. I take a quick shower to make myself up. Repeat after me. I take a quick shower to make myself up. This shows the shower is short and helps you feel energized. When you wake up at the morning, you feel sleepy, okay? And you take a quick shower to wake yourself up. Repeat after me. I take a quick shower to make myself up. Nice job. Let's go to the next one. I dry my hair with a towel. Your turn. I dry my hair with a towel. This describes the tool you use after washing your hair. I dry my hair with a towel after I get showered. Nice job. Let's go to the next one. I check the weather on my phone. I check the weather on my phone. Your turn. You say this when you are deciding what clothes to wear. I check the weather on my phone. Is the weather snowy? Is the weather sunny? Is the weather cloudy? Or what? I check the weather on my phone. Great job. Next one. I pick out an outfit for the day. Your turn. I pick out an outfit for the day. Use this when you are choosing your clothes from the closet. I pick out an outfit for the day. When you are deciding what to wear today, you are choosing your outfit for the day. I pick out an outfit for the day. Repeat after me. I pick out an outfit for the day. Excellent. Next one. I get dressed in my bedroom. Repeat after me. I get dressed in my bedroom. This is the simple way to say you are putting on your clothes. I get dressed in my bedroom. Repeat after me. Great job. Next sentence. I put on some moisturizer and sunscreen. I put on some moisturizer and sunscreen. You use put on for any skincare or cream you apply on your skin. Put on sunscreen. I put on some moisturizer and sunscreen. Repeat after me. I put on some moisturizer and sunscreen. Put on something on my face. Put on some cream on my face for my skincare routine. Okay, next one. I brush my hair and look in the mirror. I brush my hair and look in the mirror. This describes your final grooming before you are ready. I brush my hair and look in the mirror. Nice job. Next sentence. I put the kettle on to make some tea. I put the kettle on to make some tea. This is a very common way to say you are boiling water. I put the kettle on to make some tea. Repeat after me. Great. Next sentence. I prefer a light breakfast like cereal. I prefer a light breakfast like cereal. You use this to talk about a small meal that isn't too heavy. I prefer a light breakfast like cereal. Repeat after me. I prefer a light breakfast like cereal. I read the news while I eat. I read the news on my phone while I drinking my coffee. This shows you are doing two things at the same time. doing something while doing something else. I read the news while I eat. I talk to the phone while I am drinking water. Okay? I read the news while I eat. Repeat after me. Excellent. Next sentence. I pack my bag with everything I need. I pack my bag with everything I need. Where is my bag? It's here. This means you are gathering your laptop, books, or snacks. I pack my bag with everything I need, and now I'm ready to go. Okay? I pack my bag with everything I need. Great job. Let's go to the next one. I grab my keys and wallet from the table. Okay, let me show you. I grab my keys and wallet from the table. You use grab to show a quick and energetic movement. When you are hurried to go to the work or school, you grab your keys and your wallet and your phone and your sunglasses, and now you are ready to go. Okay? I grab my keys and wallet from the table. Repeat after me. Excellent. And the final sentence. I lock the front door behind me. I lock the front door behind me. This describes the last thing you do when leaving your home. You lock the front door. Repeat after me. I lock the front door behind me. Nice. Congratulations. You nailed the morning rush. Practice these sentences every morning until they feel natural. If you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button for more podcasts like this. I'm Max from MX English Podcast. See you in the next one.